Hi guys, it's me Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog is going to be trying to burn down hibachi. And I have Caitlin and Eva. Okay, so first try is, oh my god, the owner's staring at us. Putting an ice cube on the stove.
like this. No, like this.
An ice cube?
No.
I always put ice cubes on the stove.
Someone give me.
So we always
like this.
We always. Okay, so first time we're gonna try and rub these together and it'll form as a fire, okay? And then next step is we always throw some ice cubes on there. I will start when they turn the stove on. All right, so first step. Wait, give me. Here's Ava. Okay, so ready?
That actually causes a fire.
Here. Guys, we're trying to make a fire. So we just keep on rubbing it. Not working. Other way.
So you have to
Guys,
do
we're
it for
gonna
a
break
long
this
time.
thing. I don't even use chopsticks.
You guys have to use it for a really long, do it for a really long time.
Oh my god. Ava. Wait, it's actually getting dark.
I thought you were gonna. Oh, okay, you're just gonna set off on fire.
Guys. Oh my god. So
I could just see one of yours, guys.
Oh, my finger hurts. Guys, we need to do it so it's not working. It's getting dark.
I think there's fire.
So next step is this is not.
Yeah, you're
We're
gonna.
gonna take this. We're gonna stab.
Okay, that's not gonna work.
Okay.
Wait, that with this.
Actually,
It's metal and wood. You need wooden wood. Look.
oh my god, they're not clean. They're not clean. Oh. Guys,
Hi.
Hi, Allie. These are not clean. Do you guys see this food? Oh, guys, look at that food. They're not clean.
Ew, I'm not touching that.
Okay, so
Give me a
So maybe we could do this.
Guys. I'm smelling burning.
Yeah,
Guys, I'm smelling burning.
It's not us. Mine is. It's me. Oh my god, I'm smelling. They just crashed. It's not working. Maybe with the wood.
It's guys, we're gonna set up.
Alright, that's not a smart idea because I
Okay, so
nothing's working. Okay, so
We're
next
not burning
we
hibachi
need to
down.
put a fork against Caitlin's head. No. So let's try it. That didn't work neither. Let's try a fork in Ava's eye.
Oh, no.
Let's try a fork on her hand.
Oh, my finger
Let's try a fork into a scrunchie.
She said she wanted.
Let's try this. Yeah. Ching chong. Oh, it's not getting it. Ching chong bing bong. Big stomach.
Big greedy stomach.
Okay, guys. So I'm sorry, but this video is failing. So we will make one another time today. So say bye to
Eva.
and Caitlin. And most importantly, Savina. And we're the second grade sisters.